Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another chapter in the statistic, that is presentations of data. The presentation of data are the three type: tabular presentation, diagrammatic presentation and graphic presentation. The first we discuss the what is tabular presentation. Means in a social economic scientific study, the investigator had to collect the data either by the census or sample method and collect data and then organize in the systematic way. Disorderly quantitative data is obviously difficult to understand, so data presented by suitable method is preferred for one's either statistical calculation or interpretation, as well giving factual information to expert and general people. So there are four method of presentations of data, that is text presentation, semi-tabular presentation, tabular presentation and pictorial presentation. The first, what is text presentation? A text presentation is a descriptive form of presentation of data written in a paragraph. It is not very effective method. It is very difficult for reader to a single out to individual figure given in a mixed way in the text. As one required to read the whole paragraph, it becomes difficult to grasp and comprehensive and compare the data. This type of data has its own importance. It helps to readers to compare given figure along with some explanations. For example, telecommunications network India has made very rapid progress in recent years, while number of telephone connections increased by extremely low figure less than 2 lakh in 1950-51. Next, semi-tabular presentation. Semi-tabular presentation, when the data is presented both through the table and paragraph. This method is not used often, but is useful when the figures are required to be compared along with one or two sentences of explanation. Third, tabular presentation. Tabular presentation is a systematic presentation of numerical data in column and row in according with the some important feature and characteristic. Fourth, pictorial presentation. Pictorial presentation, visual form of statistic data in diagram and graph. So what is the objective of the tabulation? The systematic presentation of data is one of the most important considerations in statistical work, and it done through the use of tables. So the objective of tabulation is they simplify the complex, that is the data present are easily understood. They facilitate comparisons due to the proper systematic arrangement of statistical data in different columns. They leave a lasting impression without any confusion. They facilitate computations of different statistical measures, namely average and dispersion correlations. They present fact in minimum space and necessary repetitions, explanation avoided. Required figure can be located more quickly, and tabulate data make summations of various items easy. The further error and omissions can be easily deducted, and tabulation data are good for the reference, and they make it easy to present the information on the graph and diagram. The initial of satisfactory table. The following are the initial characteristics of satisfactory table. First, attractive. The table should be attractive to draw the attention of reader. To make it should be take the determine its size, proportions of column, row and writing rating for figures, etc. Manageable size. To size the table should be either too big or not too small, or too are and too much detail should not be given in a table. Comparable. The facts should be arranged in table X to make the comparison between easy, and comparison one of the chief objective of the tabulation. According to the object, clarity and scientifically prepared is the initial satisfactory of table. Thank you.